this lawnmower, and we're gonna rebuild this one, I think, over the next couple weeks.
That one will eventually make it on here.
Yes.
And this will go on our mud mower, and we're gonna have, since we actually have subscribers, we're gonna actually do something for y'all. We're gonna make a mud mower.
Yes, so we're just gonna be beating a mower to death, basically.
Not this one. Our ideas is to keep this one halfway nice and fix it up and sell it.
Yeah.
Well, we have destroyed.
But this motor is going to go on the mud motor, so.
Because this motor sucks.
Yeah, in today's video, we're going to be taking this motor off.
Completely off. We need to get a rebuild kit and start rebuilding that one.
Yeah.
And before too long, this should be cutting grass, and the other one should be like in a mud hole somewhere in Kansas. What to do to this mower is take the battery off, so when we go to pull this motor off, we don't electrocute ourselves with the starter and whatnot. So the battery's coming off now. High key scared my minds. Be like, which battery terminal do you take off first? Look that up on Google, my mans. Oh, it's not even turning. You know we did that once, right? I have no idea when you're recording. If you are, just put that in the video. Keep it real.
Yeah.
This is real
I'll
time.
tell you before I start now.
This is real time, no acting, boys. We just
we kind of just winging this.
That's what you need. You need the real time honesty. Walmart special. Maybe if I could grab this. There we go. We're taking the starter. We're disconnecting it so we can just pull the whole motor off now, actually.
Yep.
Gosh, my back hurts. Too young for this. Don't even know what all this goes to. I know the ignition and whatnot, telling the starter when to spin. But I couldn't tell you exactly what wire goes where. Oh. Record? Okay. 4 bolts on the bottom and this, and the motor should just lift right up. Look at that.
You smell that?
It's been dripping. Oh yeah, it's stained the concrete. That's nice. Don't. Yeah, we need cat. No, I gotta crush it in, Roo. Well, I got it stuck now. Hold on. The fuel's off and it still leaks like that. Wow.
Impact gun?
Probably, or more leveraged. I mean, look what we're using.
Alright, I'll go grab it.
Alright. Where's my other boot?
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Huh?
Nothing.
Ready?
Yep.
Probably should have used an impact for that.
What?
So probably shouldn't have used an impact for that. That's how you cross thread bolts, but send it. Right here. Ready? Nothing. Holy crap. Tell me when it's recording so I can tell them how we jumped the gun here.
Yeah, it is recording right now.
Oh, we'll cut that part out. Or use it, who cares?
Yeah, we're probably gonna use it because that's a lot of editing. We don't feel like doing that.
Jumped the gun, undid the motor before undoing the pulley on the bottom of the crankshaft, so now
So yeah, in the last clip
Clean it.
when
we just
the
sent
motor kind of fell, that was
the pulley pulling it back.
yeah.
Left the belt on like a bunch of Nimrods. Oh well, at least it's a lawnmower. We're not using that motor anymore until it goes in the mud. I think we need to go down.
All right.
We're getting full mechanic out
Why did you use that in the first place?
here. Because the other day was like easy enough to lift it. There's wheel chocks in the back. This is a safety first. And there's a target for a BB gun right there. Wheel chocks are doing their job. Meanwhile, what the heck, dude? See, the pulley's pulling this under here. We need to get this so it'll clear the,
It's probably Christian.
So now we have to take the pulley. Jeez. That steering needs to work. Motor's free. Now we go back on the ground, so. That. Just gotta check this thing out real quick.
You see all that?
That came off the inside of here. Well, that needs to go. Gotta sneeze. Woo.
Come on, let's see it.
Camera's scaring my sneeze away.
Come on, sneeze. Do the
Dude, you
thing,
actually made my sneeze go away doing that.
bruh.